It is the weekend. I have so much to do and so little time, and I have 2 kids that are sick. The focus will be cleaning up and meal prepping, which I'm just now starting. So wish me luck. Check-in. So cleaned up all of this. I didn't do it before, but this was just filthy. So yeah, I did that. Soaking chickpeas for some homemade hummus I'm gonna make. I don't do the floors and stuff until I'm actually done cooking because it'll actually get everywhere, so I'll wait for that for meal prep. But I've got to take a time out because this little girl has a science project, and so I'm gonna help her with this real quick, and then I'll get back to it. And then my best cleaner right there is cleaning and helping me with Rocky. Serious multitasking. A lot of times people ask me how I get everything done, or that, you know, how are you so organized? I just plan way ahead. So I'm soaking these prawns for dinner tonight that I'm making, which is going to be an easy dinner. And then I just made a concoction for her, deep condition for her hair. So she's deep conditioning her hair while she's doing her science project. I just drew out these for her to help her organize her project. And then meanwhile, had Layla clean this room and cuddle with her brother who is sick. And then I'm getting ready to start on that laundry while she's doing her project. And then I will be shortly after doing the clothing, I'll do the meal prep. This is what it's looking like. So I'll get all this stuff out, but this right here is all, well, right here is all meal prep. This is like snacks for the kids' lunches. This will be dinner some kind of way. This is going to be for dinner tonight. So a lot of this stuff looks like there's a ton, but actually it's all going for lunches and stuff. So yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. So here's dinner number 1. I did 2 dinners with asparagus with like herbs and some really good seasonings, pink Himalayan salt, some stuff for like joint pain and digestion. So that's seasoning on here. And then salmon with garlic and all the good stuff. Everything here is organic. And then the lemon is good to not only flavor and keep the asparagus fresh, but also at the end you can add it to the salmon. Here are a few of my lunches for the week, and for my husband as well. But these are the Greek salad jars that I just made. I just made a homemade hummus and all things that I think you would have in here that would be Greek. And then at the top is actually the lettuce. so that it doesn't get wilted. Different salads. This is a vegan Caesar sweet potatoes that are roasted, a medley of vegetables that are roasted, including asparagus, salad at the top. And then I kind of played with different renditions of that, but these are going to be some really good. This one has the ground turkey instead of no meat, and then this has kind of a combination of both. So apparently I'm terrible at closing out videos, so I did all that meal prep yesterday, all to say I woke up this morning, I have my gym clothes on, so after work I'm going to work out, and I didn't meal prep breakfast, but I just had oatmeal with berries. So basically my breakfast will either consist of oatmeal and some sort of fruit and flaxseed, or like an avocado toast situation with eggs, or just avocado and eggs. So I'm just gonna alternate between the 3 of those breakfasts on this meal plan. So yeah, I just had the breakfast. I'm making some coffee. I just got a new coffee cream frother, so I'll show you all. This is really intended for milk, but I'm guessing that you can use creamer in this because it's just a little bit thicker, but it's frothing and warming my creamer now. If you know me, I do not drink coffee unless my cream is warm. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for that to froth up, pour my French press coffee, and then I have a meeting, so that's what I'm doing. All right, y'all, I just got out of the gym. All right, you guys, I just finished that salad. It was so flipping good. And it worked out perfectly. I was actually supposed to go get the kids, but my husband ended up doing it. And then I had an impromptu business meeting by phone, and so I was like scrambling, like, oh my gosh. And then I'm like, oh duh, I have food that I made for the week. So this is like wonderful. So tonight I'll have one of the dinners. I think I'm gonna actually have the salmon dinner that I meal prep. So far my day is amazing. I feel healthy, I feel light, I feel like I'm providing myself the proper nutrients. So and I'm not starving. Like normally I'm like starving by now because I'm not eating enough, but this is like perfect. So this is a win so far. I'll check in. Hey y'all, so it is Tuesday. Again, I forgot to vlog last night. I had the salmon meal with the asparagus. Oh my gosh, it was so bomb, and I was so full. I feel energized, I feel good. So just air drying my hair, so don't mind the craziness. And these are blue light glasses, which are the bomb. But yeah, so this morning I had oatmeal again, and I added flax, like mealed flax seed with some berries. Had coffee. I'm gonna have some water, and then for lunch I'm gonna have another one of those salad jars. So far things are going good. The freshness is there, the flavor is just on point, so I'm really happy. It saved me time, and it's crazy because I don't have to think about what I'm gonna eat. Now oddly enough, I'm still cooking meals for my family, so as far as a time savings, I'm not experiencing it in the way that a client would because I'm actually still cooking for my family. However, I'm putting my mind in the frame of, if I wasn't cooking for my family, how much time would this save me? And although it was like a 3.5 hour investment on Sunday to cook all of the meals, if I was only cooking for myself, using the meal plan, it would save me so much time, literally reheating the food and eating it. And with the salad jars, I don't even have to heat the food. So it's nice not having to think about what I'm gonna eat and knowing that what I'm eating is really healthy for me. So that's a bonus for me. So I will try to keep on vlogging. I'm really trying to do it for the entirety of the meal plan, just so you can see how I'm feeling and what I like and don't like about it. Get back to work and respond to a couple emails, and then I have like a planning session coming up for my cookbook. So yeah, I'm trying to get it in. Okay, here I come. Oh, it's hot now, huh, Baba?
How about we just
All right, so now me and Rocco just had to run to the store. We have a birthday party. It's like a few days later. I was vlogging all these days of my meal prep, and then I realized because I made like the same 3 things, it's gonna be the same, so I thought it would be boring for you guys. So basically it's going well. I've slipped on a couple of things, but just gotten back on track, and that's basically how things go. But yeah, me and Rocco just left the store. We're actually driving to Marley's. We're going to Marley's game, and I had to go get her Gatorade, and then we had to get a birthday gift for a birthday party that we have after the boys' basketball games tomorrow. And then, hold on, Rocco. And then going to Marley's game now. So my husband is going out tonight, and so we also had to stop at the store because anytime my husband goes out, well, we do movie night anyways, but when he goes out, I especially have the kids set up for movie night because I like them to be able to chill out. Our weekends are rather busy, so I went and got them like Turtle Chex Mix, which is my favorite Chex Mix. It's got like chocolate and M&Ms and stuff in it. And then I got the Muddy Buddies, which I actually don't think my kids have ever had. So got that, and I'm gonna set them up in their rooms. I also got them some Scandinavian treats that I think they'll like, and then they'll just like zone out with some popcorn and stuff and just chill. That's how I like to do my Fridays with the kids. So we're gonna go to the game. I'm gonna be closing out this vlog pretty quick because it's gonna be a rather long vlog if I keep on going. But basically, meal prep is going well. Meal prepping in general, like for a week, is not for me. I'm totally okay with cooking every night, and that time is kind of like my self-care zen time, like how people like relax on the couch or watch TV. My time to do that is when I cook. So for me, I probably won't meal prep often for myself, other than meal planning, which is different. But for my clients, it's tested really, really well. Rocco has his hand up in the back, so he wants to say something. What did you want to say, Baba? I can't hear you. Oh, Marley's, he's telling you all that Marley's game is against Witter Ranch, which is true. And I need a better phone contraption because this just isn't going to work. So yeah. All right, just parked at the kids' school, and before we get out, I'm gonna just take Rocco to the park real quick. But he was just preaching to me. We call Rocco the preacher because he preaches to us all the time. But he was just telling me that I'm gonna be a really something when I get older. Rocco, what am I gonna be when I get bigger or when I grow up?
You're gonna be a sweet mom. No one's gonna be a loser.
You said that I'm gonna be a sweet mom when I grow up. Nice.